Hey everybody, got this Raycial hot laminator. These guys sent me to do an unboxing and review on, so let's check it out. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the laminator, the power cord's already attached. Got this thing, and then got a bunch of different size laminate sheets. I don't know if you can see it, but it came with small ones, some more medium sized ones, the next bigger size up, and then some big ones like this. Okay, just to go over the 7 parts on this thing, you've got down here, this is the inlet, and you've got here the ready and power indicator. That's the ready power, and of course the switch there is for cold laminating, off, hot laminating. Now, you can feel when you turn this on, it's buzzing in there. And then, back here, with this ABS, and the outlet, is back here, which is right there. So basically you send the thing through and it comes out the back. And then up here, this piece is the cutter, so you can trim up your laminate piece. Now whatever piece you want to laminate, you grab the appropriate size pouch for it. Go ahead and grab one. Just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and laminate this. Now for our purposes today, you can either do cold laminating or hot laminating, like I mentioned before. If you're going to do cold, you're going to need a pouch, a special kind of pouch with an adhesive on it, which is not included with this kit. This. All I did is just pull the sheet apart, slide it in, put it back together. I'm gonna put that on hot. I'm gonna let it warm up till it says ready. It takes about 60 to 90 seconds for it to become ready for hot laminating. Okay, while this thing's warming up, the side that you want to insert in there is the side, not this side. You want to insert the sealed side first, so it goes in like that. Put it in this way, it could jam up, get caught on the paper there. Okay, this thing's ready to roll. This thing's kind of hot when it's coming out the back here, so we'll let it cool off for a minute before we go putting our fingers all over it. Sometimes what you can do too, if there's crinkles in there, is just set a book on it to flatten it, but in this case we don't need to. It's actually nice right now. So what we can do now is trim up the edges. Kind of nice, you can line this up with the grid on here, so you can make sure that way you're not sitting in there like that, or even a little bit. You can line it up straight and cut the same amount off of each side that we would like to do. So I'm going to go ahead and square it up there, and then we cut it. We get a nice flat edge. And we'll do the same with this side. Square that up, and I'll go ahead and turn this off for now, and we'll go ahead and cut it. Oh, one last thing, this tool here, this is a corner rounder, so you can take your edges that are at 90 degrees there and put it in here, and it'll round it for you. So it'll make a nice round corner. That's sweet. Do that with this one. There we go. could have done a little bit better on my trim job. I can go back and even trim it down some more. I took and trimmed it up a little bit more. I'll go ahead and round these corners too.